Good morning, Gautam Maths Academy. Today we are discussing some questions from real numbers. Find the value of log 125 base 5. Log 125 base 5. This is equal to log 5 cube. 125 can be written as 5 cube base 5. So it can be written as log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. Using fundamental, log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. So it can be written as 3 log 5 base 5. 3 into log a base a is equal to 1. Using this fundamental. So log 5 base 5 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. The value of log 64 base root 2. Solution. Log 64 base root 2 is equal to log 64 can be written as 2 power 6. Root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2. So it is same as fundamental. Log a power m base b power n is equal to m by n log a base b. M by n log a base b. So it can be written as 6 by 1 by 2 log 2 base 2. 6 by 1 by 2 means into 2 by 1. Log 2 base 2 value is same because of log a base a is 1. So 6 into 2, 12 into 1, 12 by 1, that is 12. Next question. Is log 64 base 4 rational or irrational? Log 64 base 4. So this can be written as log 64 can be written as 4 cube. 4 cube base 4. It is same as log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. Using this fundamental, it can be written as 3 into log 4 base 4. 3 log a base a is 1. Log a base a is 1. Using this fundamental, it can be written as log 4 base 4 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 is rational number. It's a rational number. It's a rational number. Fourth question. Find the HCF of 36 and 48 by using Euclid division algorithm. So Euclid division algorithm is a comma b are two positive numbers. There exist q and r. There exist q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. This is Euclid division algorithm. So here 48 can be written as 36 into 1 plus 12. 36 into 1, 36 plus 12, 48. Again 36 is equal to 12 into 3 plus 0. So here HCF is 12. HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. See here, rough method, rougher, 48 dividing by 36. 36 ones are 36. Remainder is 12. Again we are dividing 36. 12 threes are 36. Remainder is 0. So HCF is 12.
Start.
Fifth question. Find HCF and LCM of 80 and 120 by prime factorization method. So here, rough work, 80 can be written as 2 into 40 and 2 into 20, 2 into 10, 2 into 5. Next 120 can be written as 2 into 60, 2 into 30, 2 into 15, next 3 into 5. So in main solution 80 can be written as 4 2's and 1 5. 2 power 4 into 5 power 1. And 120 can be written as 3 2's. 2 power 3, 1 3. 3 power 1, 1 5. 5 power 1. So here is 2 and 5, here is 2 3 5. Here 3 is absent. For the sake of convenience we can write it is 3 power 0. The value will not be changed. So both 8 and 120 having same prime numbers 2 3 5, 2 3 5. So LCM of 80 and 120. LCM of 80 and 120 is product of highest exponent of prime numbers. Product of highest exponents of prime numbers. In 2 power 4, 2 power 3, highest to 2 power 4. In 3 power 0, 3 power 1, highest to 3 power 1. In 5 power 1, 5 power 1, highest to 5 power 1. 2 power 4 is 16 into 3 into 5. 5, 16 the 80, 80 into 3, 240. Next HCF. HCF is equal to lowest exponents of product of lowest exponents of prime numbers. In 2 power 4, 2 power 3, lowest 2 power 3. In 3 power 0, 3 power 1, lowest 3 power 0. In 5 power 1, 5 power 1, lowest 5 power 1. 2 power 3 is 8. 3 power 0 is 1. 5 power 1 is 5. So 8 into 1 into 5, 40. So LCM is 240, HCF is 40.